When life gets you down, remember, it's only one down. The rest is up. Hello and namaste. Welcome back to ChAm Riders. It's me Chandra Fial, and today I am here in Valley Vista staging area to teach you how to ride a motorcycle confidently as a beginner. Before diving into a topic, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share us. We are riders. We ride, we travel, and we share. That's a slogan for Nepali riders in California, which is now ChAm Riders. Let me start from the basics of motorcycles. What you need to know to get started on the ride. It's very simple and very easy. Before that, I'll tell you one thing. Whether you are practicing or you are already a pro rider, the main point to consider here is a safety of both rider and a bike. Thinking about jumping into the motorcycle, just grab a proper gear like helmet, gloves, jacket, boots, and riding pants. These are essential for your everyday ride. Whether it's a short commute or you are doing an adventure ride, it doesn't matter. You need to have a proper gear because we have to protect our body. Without us, who's gonna ride? It's not about today, it's not about just one ride. If we really passionate about motorcycle, we constantly think about riding, So think about we have to go for more ride, and that's the main thing. Maybe I talk too much right now. Let me dive into a topic and go into it. First of all, it goes with the basics of motorcycle, learning the basics of motorcycle. Here is my CB500F 2024 Honda, and it has got digital TFT screen, while on the right hand side you have accelerator, which helps to move forward, speed. Here this is the brake lever for the front brake, and the main part about front brake is you just don't hit the front brake separately, because that's gonna cause your brake maybe brake lock, or you're gonna have really bad stoppy. And on the same side there is a switch, kill switch, and the hazard switch, and the start switch here, start button. While on the other side there is a couple of console, you can see, for the settings, and this is the horn, this is the side light button, there is a pass light, and the one lever you see here is the clutch, which helps to engage you with your gear to shift up or down. On the right side here, this is the rear brake. That's a rear brake. So what happens is, if you want a smooth braking system, engage with both brakes at the same time, so that you can have good stop. On the left side there is a crucial part of this motorcycle, which is a gear lever. So the good news on the Honda CB500F or many new generation bike is they will give you this manual of gear system, and there is neutral, one down, and up to six gear up. Now we know the basics of the motorcycle. Let me hop on the bike and show you how easy it is to ride. Okay. Let me tell you one more thing. Always try to find open space, like wide open space, so that you can practice easily without harming anyone or even harming yourself. First of all, turn it on, simple, and that's a kill switch. You can turn on this one, and here right now you can see it's on number 1. Let me put it on a neutral right there. Now everything is tip top ready. I'm flat footed on this bike, so hit the start button here. So the good thing is, while on neutral you can hit the start button, but on this bike, if you are on the gear, you can hit the start button. You know why? Because you have to have the bike on neutral. So here, let me start one more time. Start, and this is clutch. Pull the clutch, and here is the gear. Remember, 1 down, the rest is up. 1 down. Now slowly release the clutch. Slowly release the clutch. You don't have to release the throttle, but if you already know how to ride it, you can do it, but you are just practicing right now. And slowly release the clutch. You can see the momentum of it. You can see here, I'm not even touching the, I'm not even giving the gas. Here you go, easy, slowly, and yeah, just be careful. Slowly, just like this. But remember, I told you, remember the brakes. You have to engage the both brakes. Right now I'm pulling the clutch as well, because this is downhill. Release the clutch fully, and if you hear like those things, you see the problem, yeah, that's when you stop. So hit the gas. So that was a quick demo video of how to confidently ride a motorcycle as a beginner. I cannot make it longer because the sun is setting down and it's getting dark, but let me know how you like the video, and thank you for staying up to date with ChAm Riders. I will see you on the next video. Till then, keep riding, keep exploring.